Welcome to another Dark Nook video. In this video, we're turning dollar store junk into respectable looking props. I found these zombie garden gnomes at the dollar store in the Halloween section, and they look like junk. But I realized that was mostly because of the crappy paint job. When you look at them, they're actually not bad sculpts. They just have this awful silver dry brush paint job that makes them look really lousy, tacky, and cheap. So I figured I'd buy some and repaint them. I started by basing them all out with flat black spray paint. It took one full can, cost 96 cents at Walmart. Thanks for checking out my video. Please hit that subscribe button and click that bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And if you like the video, click that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. As you can see, there's a lot of nice detail work in this sculpt. These are actually not bad quality. The sculpt is good and they're cast out of solid stone, so they're perfect for a repaint. It's a pretty straightforward paint job, just a few colors. I'm using regular acrylic craft paints and only a few colors. I wanted to show how easy it really is to take something that just looks like cheap junk and make it look cool and professional. Just some dark brown for the boots, blue for the overalls, a little bone white dry brush over the exposed bone, some dark gray for the beard, moss green for the skin with a little forest green thrown in there for texture, and then some fire engine red for the hat. For a few of the colors, I added a little bit of white to lighten them, and then did a dry brush to bring out the high points. And then I did a simple black wash to bring out the low points. And here it is all finished. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Do all the YouTubey things that YouTubers do. And thanks for checking out my video.